This man thought the seal was playing with him, but he was deeply moved when he realized it was actually trying to help him. While he was peacefully diving underwater, a seal suddenly swam around him. The diver thought the seal was just being playful, until he realized it was persistently trying to pull him to the surface by grabbing his diving suit and then his gloves. Not understanding what the seal wanted, he continued diving deeper. When the seal didn't achieve its goal, it decided to give up. For the diver, this was a once-in-a-lifetime experience, but he was even more shocked when the seal returned with another member, both approaching him. At that moment, their intentions became clear when they started pulling the diver to the surface, thinking he was trapped at the bottom of the sea. The seals didn't give up and tried various ways to get him to shore. Still thinking they were just playing, the man didn't cooperate. When they realized they couldn't save the victim, they left but soon returned with many more seals, surrounding the